feel, don't say fine. We back and forth every time out of line. But I'm lying if I say we don't got the time. It ain't my fault, ain't my fault. It's a blind spot or a state of mind. Can't even tell the difference if you real or when you lying. I be doubting all the benefits, but fuck it, I don't mind. I handle this shit like my overall 99. Inadvertently, you be hurting me, no cap. The curtain closed, the lights dim.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me this far, and I am so grateful for everything you guys have done. Thank you for 57 subscribers. Let's get to 100 subscribers, and one day we'll get to 1,000 subscribers. I just can't wait. So guys, for today's vlog, I just want to show you guys the gadgets that I got for vlogging from Ringtech Kenya on Instagram. I just want to tell them thank you so much. I've really been wanting to have these gadgets for a while so that I can produce quality videos, and also just to encourage you guys and to show you guys that your girl here is doing just fine. And so for example, as you can see, the lighting that I have at the moment it's the ring light that I am using. And then of course the ring light has the stand and the phone holder and everything. And then of course I got the microphone over here, girl. You know, I've been seeing people on YouTube having these microphones, and there's that the I don't know, it's called a microphone gun, or is it called something which I will get soon. The fluffy microphone that has a fluffy covering on it, you know. But I just saw this and I'm like, you know, for a start, I think I'll just start with this one. Plus Ringtech, they actually have an offer for this month whereby you get to buy the ring light, which is the 12-inch that I got, plus you get to have the microphone, you get to have a free mini tripod. Oh my god. Mini tripod. Iko na hadi phone holder, so you can just put the phone here. And then you just move around. Oh my god, you guys, this is what I've always wanted. Just move around with holding this thing and just, you know, hey guys, I'm vlogging, I'm a YouTuber, you know. And so there's this one, and then there's this microphone. The microphone is right here. So this is a remote for the ring light. I'm still learning how to use Nonata Sijatoa. I have not removed it from the paper. And then I have this one, which is a remote shutter. I'm sure it's for the camera, for taking a picture. This is how it looks. So if you want to take a picture, you know, you can see. I don't know why it's not going well. Come on, front camera, what are you doing? Anyway, this is how it is, you guys. This is one for the camera, and for the phone. So if you have a phone and you want to take a photo, you just connect with the Bluetooth and then you just click on this small one. But if you have a camera, you click on this big circle. So I'll just return it there so that it doesn't get lost. Yes, the microphone came in this box, as you can see. So that's how it looks like. And the ring light came with this box. Oh, they sent me a thank you card. That's very nice. So you can see that's Ringtech over there. And you can follow them on Instagram and you can order something from them. The offer was 3,000 for all this. Imagine. I was very surprised. So guys, this is going to be a very interesting journey. I cannot wait to use these gadgets. Hadizi haribike, which I hope they don't get spoiled until we upgrade to backdrops and those other big lights that people normally use. And maybe one day, you never know, I may start my own reality TV show. Sijasema kitu, but so guys, stay tuned for more vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.